Okay guys, nandito na naman ako, ang science teacher niyong si Sir Elvin. Tuturuan ko na naman kayo kung paano yung concept about work. Okay? So, panoorin niyo yung video, then makinig kayo sa mga sasabihin ko. Okay. When we say work, the first thing that will come into your mind, syempre, unang-una, yung mga trabaho ng magulang natin. For example, ang tatay mo, construction worker. Ang mama mo ay nurse. But actually, in the field of science, it does not mean na kapag sinabing work, automatic trabaho. Okay? That is the layman's term of work. Ito, yung work na nandito, in scientific explanation, ibang-iba siya. Okay? So today, we're going to learn about work. Okay, now what is work? Work, it is a product of force and distance. Okay? For work to be done, we must satisfy three things. So there are three conditions. So what are those conditions? First, there must be force applied. So para daw masabi na natin na merong work, dapat meron daw force na ginamit, in-apply. Next, the object must cover a certain distance. So dapat daw yung object na ginamitan natin ng force or anything ay mag-cover ng distance o kaya dapat gumalaw. Regardless kung maliit lang yung movement niya or malaki, basta nag-cover siya ng certain distance. Last is, the force applied and the distance covered must be in the same direction. Tandaan, dapat daw may force, dapat mag-cover ng distance, and last is, same direction. So, dapat daw kung saan papunta yung force, dun din dapat papunta yung na-cover na distance. So, guys, tandaan natin ha, we must satisfy three things. First, force. Second, there must be distance. Then third, same direction. Now, sir, paano po kung isa sa mga to nawala? Okay, napakasimple lang. Pag isa sa mga yan ang nawala, automatic, wala nang work. Okay, kahit i-continue pa natin, wala nang work. In what way? So, I will give certain or different situation na masasabi natin that there is work or there is no work. Okay, for example, sige, you will notice a man pulling a cart. Okay, may mga bato siya. Now, the question is there work or no work? I'll give you 5 seconds para hulaan. Alam ko namang hulaan nyo lang yan. Okay. Okay, time is up. Now, balikan natin yung concept natin kanina. For work to be done, dapat daw merong tatlong bagay. Ano yung tatlong bagay? Una, merong force. Pangalawa, merong distance. Pangatlo, dapat parehas daw si distance at si force ng direction. Okay. Let us look at the situation. First, meron bang force? Okay. The man applied a force. Very good. Kung yun yung nakikita nyo, that's correct. So, meron tayong force. Si man may in-apply na force. Next, anong pangalawa? Dapat daw may distance. So, the cart moves going right. So, merong distance. Going right. Very good. Next, the force applied and the distance covered have the same direction. Let us look at the arrow. Itong arrow is going right. Ito rin is going right. The force and the distance have the same direction. So, simply, we satisfy three things. It means your answer must be work. So, there is work on this situation. Very good. Next. You're going to look at an old man pushing a cart. So, what have you noticed? The question is there work or no work? Okay. The man applied a force. So F. Going where? Going right. Next equation. The cart moved going right. So it means it covered a certain distance. Okay. Now, the third condition. The force applied and the distance covered at the same direction. Let us look at the arrow. Are they the same? Are they going at the same direction? Yes. So it means the answer is there is work. Okay? So, meron na tayong dalawang situation that shows us that there is work. How about this one? Work or no work? Okay, let us check if your answer is correct or not. Okay. The man applied the force. So, if you're going to look at it, the man is pushing the ball. So, there is a force going where? Going right. Next. The wall does not move. So, that wall will not move. So, the distance. So, X. It means the wall does not cover a certain distance. So, walang movement ng wall. So, kagaya nga ng sinabi natin kanina, isa lang sa tatlo mawala. Automatic, there is no work. Okay? Kahit i-continue po ba natin, sir? Ganun po ba? Sige, try natin i-continue sa third condition. So, ang third condition, dapat daw, the same direction si force and si distance. But on this equation, ang meron lang direction ay si force. Walang direction si distance. So it means there was force applied but the wall did not move. So hindi natin na-satisfy yung third condition. So if we're going to look at it, there is no work. Okay? So meron na tayong tatlo. Punta na tayo sa pang-apat na situation. Now ito. Waiter. Question. Work or no work? Okay. So, let us check if your answer is correct. First, the waiter is applying a force on the tray going up. So, there is a force. Na-satisfy yung first condition. So, may F, then going up. Next, the waiter is walking with going right. It means he covered a certain distance. So, syempre, yung waiter, naglalakad yan. Okay, going right. Now, yung third condition, the force applied by the waiter to the tray while walking, going right, does not satisfy the third condition. So, sabi dyan, hindi raw nasa-satisfy yung third condition. So, in what way po? So, sabi sa third condition, the force and the distance must have the same direction. But if we're going to look at it, the force applied is going up. Then the distance covered is going right. So it means they don't have the same direction. It means that this equation means no work. Tanong, sir, kung no work po yan, bakit po yung mga waiter sinasahuran pa? This is just a joke time. Wala naman pala silang ginagawang work, bakit sumasahod sila? Okay, always remember, when we say no work, it doesn't mean na hindi na sila babayaran. Okay? Remember that sila ay binabayaran hindi dahil sa work nila. Binabayaran sila dahil sa kanilang service. Okay? Service ang binabayaran. Okay? Hindi yung work. Gets? Okay. So, thanks for watching, guys. This is the concept of work. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sir Elvin, for more lessons. Next lesson will be computation of work. See you!